Party ring donut is on a bill of fare today, and trust me, you will love this recipe. It is absolutely easy to prepare, and the outcome, just look at that, very soft and fluffy. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. And trust me, you will love it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So our first ingredient is my butter. Okay, you can use margarine or butter. You are good to go. And that was 5 tablespoons. I added a cup of sugar. So I'll go ahead and then mix it very well so it becomes uniform, and then I will add the next ingredient. So getting to the ending of the video, I added some of the sugar to it because when I prepared the first one, or when I baked the first one, I realized that the sugar isn't enough, so it becomes uniform or the sugar dissolves. That is what we want to achieve. Just look at that. If you don't have the spatula, you can use your spoon or any ladle that you have. Okay, you are good to go. Now the next ingredient we are going to add, we will make sure we mix it again before we add that. So we did not use the whisk from the beginning because we didn't want the place to be messy, or we didn't want to give ourselves some work. Okay, yes. So now everything is okay. I'm just going to add my eggs to it. In all, we used 5 eggs. With this recipe, you can decide to reduce the quantity of eggs that you use, and that is okay. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are seeing. Can you please subscribe, like, leave me your comments, and share the video to others? If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow for more videos. As I said earlier, they don't take money. It is absolutely free. Okay, subscription is free, so follow for more or subscribe for more videos. Now I'll go ahead and then make sure everything is well combined. Then I will introduce the next ingredients to you. So this is where we have gotten to, and we have perfect outcome. I am just going to add my 5 cups of all-purpose flour. If you want to use soft flour, you are good to go. Okay, so if you don't have all-purpose flour, you can use soft flour, or if there's no all-purpose flour at your end, just look for soft flour and you are good to go. And if you have the two, you can use any that you want. Okay, yeah, so just go ahead and then mix it until it becomes uniform. Now my flour contains a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'll go ahead and add my evaporated milk. So we are going to use 1 cup of evaporated milk in this recipe. So you can actually go ahead, and then if you want to increase it, you can do so. That is the baking powder I have added. Okay, yeah. Now mix it very well, and then we are good to go. I'll be adding the rest of the milk to it and add other ingredients as well. I added about 5 tablespoons of whole milk to it as well, which you'll be seeing as we proceed. At this moment, you can just go ahead and then use your whisk to do so. When I used it, it was giving me wahala because it's a bit hard. Okay, yeah, but at the end we got to our final destination and it was perfect. So that is actually the rest of the milk. The rest of the evaporated milk, and then the extra 5 tablespoons of whole milk I told you earlier that we'll be adding. So mix it very well, and then we are good to go. I added a teaspoon of vanilla to that, a pinch of salt as well, and this was absolutely good. If you want to use nutmeg, you can go ahead and then add the nutmeg. You can use cinnamon as well, but this is what I want to use. Just look at what we have now. The butter looks very okay and then uniform. If you want it very runny, you can go ahead and then do so, but this is the consistency that we want. Okay, and as you can see, it is perfect. Thank you once again. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So please do what, follow us for more videos. If you want short videos, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube short. I have some oil here. You can use butter or margarine, yeah, for this, so that it will not stick there. But actually, this one, even if you don't use that, it is not going to stick. Okay, but there are some you have to grease your maker, the donut maker. Okay, yeah. Now I'll just go ahead and scoop some, put it in there, and when I am done, I am going to show you the result. It was absolutely perfect, and this was very easy to do. So thank you once again. If you want the recipe in tree, please follow us on our tree channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. Follow us for more videos. It is actually different video, not the same. Okay, you will learn a lot there as well. So I'll go ahead and then cover it and then wait for a while. After waiting for a while, I'm going to show you how it looks or the result, and you'll be amazed. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful and perfect. Thank you so much for spending some quality time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am grateful. Try this recipe and let me know how you enjoyed it, because I know you are definitely going to enjoy it. Let me open it for you to see how fluffy, soft, absolutely awesome this was. Just look at that. I like the fact that the sugar wasn't too much. So if you want it to taste like the one we sell on the roadside, please increase the sugar. Okay, but I did not add a lot of that to it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Please do not forget to watch our other videos. Bye bye.